Days, we'll be solving question number 7 from exercise 5.2. Here the question says 7 more than 2 digit number is equal to the 2 less than the number obtained by reversing the digits. The sum of digit is 5. Find the number. Now this is exercise 5.2. Question number 7. Let the digit at one's place be x and tens place be y. So that's what would be the formed number. Already in the live class that is explained y 10y plus x, and the number obtained after reversing the digits would be 10x plus y. According to the question, the number 7 more than the 2 digit number, 10y plus x plus 7 is equal to 10x plus y minus 2 is given now. 7 more than 2 digit number is equal to 2 less than the number obtained by reversing the digits. So what we have done, we have added 7 with the original number is equal to, we have subtracted 2 from the obtained number which is found after reversing. So this gives you 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 7, or 10y minus y, it gives you 9y minus 9x is equal to minus 9, or y minus x is equal to minus 9, 9 is common, or y minus x is equal to minus 9 by 9, or y minus x is equal to minus 1, equation number 1. And the second equation, it says the sum of digit is 5. Y plus x is 5. This is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, though x is having different sign, we can write y minus x is minus 1, y plus x is equal to 5, or this is cancelled, 2y is equal to 4, or y is equal to 2. Now place the value of y, placing y in 1. 2 minus x is equal to minus 1, minus x is equal to minus 1 minus 2, minus x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 3. Now we have got x and y, so the number is 10y plus x. So 10 into 2 plus 3, it is 23. So the required number is 23. You can see the bottom part. This is question number 7. We have done. Number 8, it says, if 2 is added to the numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 10. And if 3 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, it becomes 4 by 5. Find the fraction. Now, I'll be finding the equations. You have to solve the further equation. It's very lengthy and long if I do everything. It will take 2 weeks. So just have a look. It says, let the numerator be x and the denominator would be y. So what would be the fraction? X by y. Now we have 2 situations. From these 2 situations, we are going to get 2 fractions, 2 expressions. First, question number 8. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So the fraction would be x by y. Now according to the question, if 2 is added to numerator and denominator, fraction becomes 9 by 10. So I have written x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 10. We'll go for the cross multiplication. It gives you 10x plus 20 is equal to 9y plus 18. Now 10x minus 9x, 18 minus 20, or 10x minus 9x is equal to minus 2, equation number 1. Again, if 3 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, it becomes 4 by 5. So x minus 3, y minus 3 is equal to 4 by 5. Now we are going to cross multiply it. 3x, sorry, not 3x, 5x minus 15 is equal to 4y minus 12. 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 plus 15. 5x minus 4y is equal to 3. This is, you have got equation number 2. Now after that you have to solve. I am not going to solve it. The method you want to use, elimination, substitution, is up to you. And if there is a doubt, if you do not get the value of x and y, you can ask me. I have found the equations. Now you get the value and the fraction. Is it okay? If doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Not today. Now here it says the ratio of two numbers is 2:5. If 4 is added to the first and 32 subtracted from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of original ratio. Find the numbers. Now let the numbers be x and y. So x by y is equal to 2 by 5. And a second question is x plus 4 by y minus 32 is equal to 5 by 2. You have the expressions, then you have to find the value. So question number 8 we have done, 7 we have done, 9 you have to do. Look at question number 10. It says 9 is a ratio, means fraction only. You write x by y is equal to 2 by 5. Then the second situation, x plus 4, because 4 is added to the first number. So x plus 4 by y minus 32 is equal to, it becomes reciprocal, 5 by 2. Then you get, look at question number 10. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 12. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So the fraction would be x by y. This is one situation. Now according to the question it says the sum of numerator and denominator is 12. So x plus y is 12 because I have taken x as numerator and y as denominator. Then second it says if the fraction, again if the denominator increased by 3, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So x by y plus 3, only denominator is increasing, numerator is as it is equal to 1 by 2, or it gives you 2x is equal to y plus 3, or 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, x plus y 12, 2x minus y, 3. Y cancelled, 3x, 15, x 5. Placing x in 1, 5 plus y is equal to 12, or y is equal to 12 minus 5, y is equal to 7. So the fraction would be, fraction is equal to 5 by 7. This is question number 10. Please write it. Now 11 and 9 is given as homework, and 8 you have to complete. Homework is 9 and 11. Next day we will be solving question number 12. Number 11 is also related to the fraction, so there will not be any type of problem. Hope. If instead of that, if you have any problem, if you face any problem, you can ask me in comment box. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.